Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and report users on Reddit. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, look at how beautiful this Markiplier picture is, and there I saw a hate comment. So for example, if I want to go ahead and report this user, right, all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on this user right over here, click on his profile right over here, and once you've done that, all you need to do is on beside his username, there's going to be this triple dot icon right over here. Click on this third option, which is going to be report profile. It's going to ask you why you want to go ahead and report this account. So for example, let's say I don't like his username, so I just click on next, and then I can go ahead and write what rule is this breaking. You can simply go ahead and select anything you want to, click on next, and you can simply select by clicking on yes, or you could also go ahead and click on other options and you can go ahead and read this for yourself. But that is about it. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on yes, and Reddit will reach out to them. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.